Registered Electrical Engineering Board Exam Reviewer. Electrical Engineering Multiple Choice Questions and Answers, 50 Items, Part 5. Instructions. Read the questions carefully and select the correct answer from the choices. Test yourself. Good luck. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Self-Review PH. Prepared by Engineer June. Question number 1. What is the otherwise known as the new electrical engineering law? A. RA 184. B. RA 5734. C. RA 7902. D. RA 7920. The correct answer is letter D, RA 7920. Question number 2. The minimum size of copper conductor permitted for a 240 volts general illumination branch circuit in dwelling is A. 8.0 square millimeter. B. 14.0 square millimeter. C. 6.0 square millimeter. D. 3.5 square millimeter. The correct answer is letter D, 3.5 square millimeter. Question number 3. In the computation of the size of building wire, the PEC requires that at least a certain percent increase must be added. What percent is this? A. 15%. B. 20%. C. 25%. D. 50%. The correct answer is letter C, 25%. Question number 4. The largest solid conductor generally permitted to be installed in raceway is A. 8.0 square millimeter. B. 14.5 square millimeter. C. 5.5 square millimeter. D. 3.5 square millimeter. The correct answer is letter A, 8.0 square millimeter. Question number 5. In rigid metal conduit, the minimum electrical trade size is A. 25 mm. B. 20 mm. C. 15 mm. D. 32 mm. The correct answer is letter C, 15 mm. Question number 6. A transformer, which is intended to be connected to a three-phase, four-wire ungrounded electrical system for the purpose of creating a three-phase four-wire grounded electrical system, is called A. Shielded transformer. B. Insulating transformer. C. Zigzag transformer. D. Boost and buck transformer. The correct answer is letter C, zigzag transformer. Question number 7. An equipment grounding means not permitted is A. Electric metallic tubing. B. A bare aluminum wire. C. The metal sheath of type MC cable. D. Liquid tight flexible metal conduit. The correct answer is letter D, liquid tight flexible metal conduit. Question number 8. A two-family dwelling has both living units with grade level access both from the front and the backyard. The minimum number of 125-volt, 15 or 20 ampere receptacle outlets required on the outside of this building is A. 1, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. The correct answer is letter C, 4. Question number 9. A standard of an overcurrent device as recognized by the code is A. 50 amperes, B. 70 amperes, C. 90 amperes, D. 125 amperes. The correct answer is letter D, 125 amperes. Question number 10. An AC electrical system not required to be grounded is A. 122-40 volt, 3-wire, single-phase system. B. 208Y 120 volt, 4-wire, 3-phase system. C. 408Y 277 volt, 3-phase system serving volt lighting loads. D. 240 120 volt, 4-wire, 3-phase delta system. The correct answer is letter D, 240 120 volt, 4-wire, 3-phase delta system. Question number 11. The maximum number of single-pole circuit breakers that are permitted to be installed in a lighting and appliance branch circuit panel board is A. 55, B. 42, C. 23, D. 35. The correct answer is letter B, 42. Question number 12. A 122-40 volt, 3-wire, single-phase feeder supplies a small panel board with a 4 2-wire branch circuits where the calculated is only 15 amperes on each ungrounded conductor. The minimum ampacity permitted for this feeder is A. 15 amperes, B. 25 amperes, C. 30 amperes, D. 45 amperes. The correct answer is letter C, 30 amperes. Question number 13. Which of the following is not a qualification of the BE board members? 1. Be at least 36 years of age. 2. Be a resident of the Philippines for at least 10 consecutive years. 3. Be a registered electrical engineer. 4. Have practiced electrical engineering for a period not less than 5 years. A. 2, 3, and 4. B. 1, 2 and 3, C. 1, 2, 3 and 4, D. 3 and 4. The correct answer is letter C. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 14. The official seal of a professional electrical engineer as provided in Section 4(q) of Republic Act 7920 must have an outer diameter of A. 50 mm, B. 48 mm, C. 52 mm, D. 40 mm. The correct answer is letter B. 48 mm. Question number 15. When we refer to the old electrical engineering law, we are referring to which of the following acts? A. RA 5734, B. RA 134, C. RA 184, D. RA 7919. The correct answer is letter C. RA 184. Question number 16. A single-family dwelling has 420 ampere, 230-volt small appliance branch circuits installed to serve the receptacles outlets in the kitchen and dining room. When calculating the service demand load for the dwelling, the minimum load that is permitted to be included for the small appliance branch circuits in this dwelling is A. 1500 volt ampere, B. 6000 volt ampere, C. 3500 volt ampere, D. 7500 volt ampere. The correct answer is letter B. 6000 volt ampere. Question number 17. Qualifications of applicants for registration as PEE who were assistant or associate electrical engineer under RA 184 is rule blank of RA 7920. A. 13, B. 15, C. 12, D. 14. The correct answer is letter B. Rule 15. Question number 18. RA 7920, Rule 2F is defining A. CPE, B. Commission, C. Commissioner, D. RA 184, Old Electrical Engineering Law. The correct answer is letter D. RA 184, Old Electrical Engineering Law. Question number 19. The program of examination is provided in what particular rule of the implementing rules and regulations of RA 7920? A. Rule 9, B. Rule 12, C. Rule 10, D. Rule 11. The correct answer is letter B. Rule 12. Question number 20. The Philippine Electrical Code does not apply wiring installations in A. Public buildings, B. Floating buildings, C. Underground mines. D. Recreational vehicles. The correct answer is letter D. Recreational vehicles. Question number 21. The terminal for a size 50 square millimeter copper conductor without any markings to indicate the temperature rating for the terminal is assumed to have a minimum terminal temperature rating of A. 35 degrees C, B. 60 degrees C, C. 75 degrees C, D. 95 degrees C. The correct answer is letter B, 60 degrees centigrade. Question number 22. Rule 7 in RA 7920 is A. Assignment of duties, B. Promulgation of decision, C. Enforcement and execution, D. Official business with the Commission. The correct answer is letter A, assignment of duties. Question number 23. A point on the wiring system at which current is taken to supply utilization is A tap, B. An outlet, C. An appliance, D. A service point. The correct answer is letter B, an outlet. Question number 24. The ampacity of a size 8.0 square millimeter copper type UF cable, installed within a building with 90 degrees C insulation on the conductors and not in conditions requiring ampacity adjustment is A. 35 amperes, B. 45 amperes, C. 40 amperes, D. 55 amperes. The correct answer is letter C, 40 amperes. Question number 25. A conductor with black is permitted to be re-identified as a grounded conductor at the time of installation with a distinctive white marking that completely encircles the conductor as the conductor terminations for A. Any size conductor, B. Size 14.0 square millimeter and larger, C. Sizes larger than 14.0 square millimeter, D. Sizes smaller than 14.0 square millimeter. The correct answer is letter D, sizes smaller than 14.0 square millimeter. Question number 26. In a dwelling, for the purpose of supplying cord and plug connected loads 144 volt amperes or less than 0.25 horsepower, the nominal voltage between conductors supplying device terminals shall not exceed A. 125 volts, B. 235 volts, C. 208 volts, D. 277 volts. The correct answer is letter C, 208 volts. Question number 27. Requirements for examination as unregistered master electrician is rule blank of RE 7920. A. 14, B. 15, C. 16, D. 17. The correct answer is letter D, Rule 17. Question number 28. Blank refers to the installed capacity of an alternating current electric plant or supply equipment, or the connected load of industrial plants or commercial building per Section 2H, Article 1 of RA 7920. A. Electric plant. B. Kilovolt ampere. C. Computed load. D. Total connected load. The correct answer is letter B, kilovolt ampere. Question number 29. Section 4 of Article 2 states the powers and duties of the board. What does it mean by quasi-legislative power? A. Supervisory. B. Rulemaking. C. Evaluation. D. Control. The correct answer is letter B, rulemaking. Question number 30. Section 4, P. Powers and duties of the Board of Article 2 of Electrical Engineering is to blank. A. Adopt an official seal. B. Supervise and regulate the practice of electrical engineering in the Philippines. C. Prosecute or institute criminal action against any violator of the Act and or the rules and regulations of the board. D. Issue subpoena or subpoena juris tecum to secure the attendance of respondents or witnesses relative to the investigation conducted by the board. The correct answer is letter C, prosecute or institute criminal action against any violator of the Act and or the rules and regulations of the board. Question number 31. The cross-sectional area of number 8 American wire gauge solid copper conductor is A. 8.0 square millimeter. B. 15.0 square millimeter. C. 5.5 square millimeter. D. 3.5 square millimeter. The correct answer is letter A, 8.0 square millimeter. Question number 32. Section 1, Articles 2 states, an electrical engineer shall be fair, impartial and reasonable in rendering professional service to his clients. A. Partly true. B. False. C. Partly false. D. True. The correct answer is letter D, true. Question number 33. A molded case circuit breaker permitted to be used as a switch for high-pressure sodium luminaires, lighting fixtures, in a gymnasium is requires to be labeled. A. SWD. B. HPS loads. C. With circuit rating. D. Suitable as switch for luminaires, lighting fixtures. The correct answer is letter B, HPS loads. Question number 34. What is the ampacity of 5.5 square millimeter TW copper conductor? A. 30 amperes. B. 35 amperes. C. 45 amperes. D. 65 amperes. The correct answer is letter A, 30 amperes. Question number 35. A raceway contains 6 size 8.0 square millimeter copper current carrying conductors with THWN insulation. The maximum allowable ampacity of these conductors in this raceway is A. 50 amperes. B. 40 amperes. C. 30 amperes. D. 70 amperes. The correct answer is letter B, 40 amperes. Question number 36. The maximum branch circuit voltage permitted between conductors supplying luminaires, lighting fixtures, in a dwelling unit is A. 230 volts. B. 277 volts. C. 485 volts. D. 625 volts. The correct answer is letter A, 230 volts. Question number 37. Section 38 of Article 4 is about A. Penalty clause. B. Posting of certificates. C. Certificate of specialty. D. Foreign reciprocity. The correct answer is letter D, foreign reciprocity. Question number 38. Under Article 1 of RA 7920, what refers to any equipment which produces, modifies, regulates, or controls the supply of electrical energy? A. Power generator. B. Electric supply equipment. C. Power plant equipment. D. Electric plant equipment. The correct answer is letter B, electric supply equipment. Question number 39. For barbers' shop and beauty parlors, the general lighting load per square meter of area shall be A. 25 volt amperes. B. 24 volt amperes. C. 15 volt amperes. D. 9 volt amperes. The correct answer is letter B, 24 volt amperes. Question number 40. What is the allowable ampacity of THW insulated conductor with an area of 8.0 square millimeter and exposed to an ambient temperature of 30 degrees C? A. 60 amperes. B. 20 amperes. C. 50 amperes. D. 40 amperes. The correct answer is letter C, 50 amperes. Question number 41. When a circuit breaker is installed in enclosed switchboards, they are usually derated to a certain percentage. What is this percentage? A. 50%. B. 80%. C. 70%. D. 30%. The correct answer is letter B, 80%. Question number 42. All switches shall not be more than blank millimeter above floor. A. 800. B. 1500. C. 2000. D. 2400. The correct answer is letter B, 1500 millimeter. Question number 43. The following are the types of electrolytes used in the battery as stated in PEC, except for A. Sulfuric acid. B. Distilled water. C. Lead calcium. D. Potassium hydroxide. The correct answer is letter C, lead calcium. Question number 44. When charging a battery, you should never allow the temperature of the electrolyte to exceed what maximum temperature? A. 115 degree Fahrenheit. B. 125 degree Fahrenheit. C. 110 degree Fahrenheit. D. 135 degree Fahrenheit. The correct answer is letter C, 110 degree Fahrenheit. Question number 45. High voltage oil switches are immersed in oil for what primary reason? A. To keep the switch from corroding. B. To keep the switching mechanism cool. C. To keep the switching mechanism lubricated. D. To break the circuit when the switch is opened. The correct answer is letter B, to keep the switching mechanism cool. Question number 46. In Section 2, Article 1 of RA 7920, what refers to the power plant mounted on wheels as used in the railroad transportation industry? A. Watercraft. B. Electric transit. C. Electrical locomotive. D. Electrical substation. The correct answer is letter C, electrical locomotive. Question number 47. Teaching electrical engineering professional subjects is provided in blank of Article 1 of RA 7920. A. Section 2, 6. B. Section 2, 7. C. Section 2, 5. D. Section 2, 4. The correct answer is letter A, Section 2, 6. Question number 48. When was the RE 7920 passed by the House of Representatives and the Senate? A. February 12, 1995. B. February 14, 1995. C. February 21, 1995. D. February 24, 1995. The correct answer is letter C, February 21, 1995. Question number 49. What is the minimum age for a person to become a member of the Board of Electrical Engineering? A. 30. B. 35. C. 40. D. 45. The correct answer is letter B, 35 years old. Question number 50. When was the RE 7920 approved by President Fidel V. Ramos? A. February 12, 1995. B. February 14, 1995. C. February 21, 1995. D. February 24, 1995. The correct answer is letter D, February 24, 1995.